system. Activating combat mode.
Clear out those guard mechs. Perfect chance to test your AC. Our AC's taking damage. Patch it up. See the contaminated city down there? That's where you're landing. Access the catapult.
An AC? Where the hell did that come from?
I'm picking up signals from AC Rex. Follow the markers.
There! That's the AC from the report!
Find out who they're working for.
Extract the pilot data. I'll analyze it from my end. This one's already expired. Keep looking. What?
We've got something good!
Get out of there! You can handle them!
That's the PCA's planetside force. Keep a low profile. We don't want them breathing down our necks. Analyzing. Corp license. Easily traced. Forget it.
Duff and Schneider are on the move. The grid won't be close AC.
Let's see about this license. It's still valid, but the pilot's rank is no good. We can't use this. I've picked up one more Rec 621. Transmitting marker. Go and shoot. You can use that vertical catapult to get some altitude. That's it. Try accessing the wreck. call sign from that license you picked up. Raven. That's your new